In this problem, we're reminded that we usually ignore the kinetic energy of the moving coils of a spring, but let's try to get a reasonable approximation of this. So consider a spring of mass m, length L naught, and force constant K. The work done to stretch or compress the spring by a distance L is 1/2 kx squared, where x is L minus L naught, or the change in length. Consider a spring as described above that has one end fixed and the other end moving with speed v. Assume that the speed of points along the length of the spring varies linearly with the distance L from the fixed end, and assume also that the mass of the spring is distributed uniformly along its length. Okay, so we can draw a little schematic of a spring here. I've used the coordinate x here. I guess they called it little l, but same thing. And